Hi, this is Vivian from KingGuard. Welcome to my channel. This is the channel to introduce lock hardware and furniture hardware. Hope my knowledge will be helpful to you. Normally, door lock can be divided into two types. The first is the electric door locks, and the second one is mechanical lock. And one door can, let's say, traditional mechanical lock can divide it into 6 parts. And you can see different door locks, but normally their main part can split into these parts. Just the shape and size and material is different, like this or this. Now let's go through the part of plate and the lock body. The first is the plate. About the plate, we got two types, conjoint plate and spilled plate. And in conjoint plate, we can see different shape, such as rectangular shape, oval, and other more complicated one. The second is the cucurbita orifice. We always can see one little hole on the plate. That's the cucurbita orifice. Normally, the hole size will change as the plate size, and the small and medium size normally use more cucurbita orifice. And the second is the lock body. Here is the lock body. Normally, in our industry, we have one calling 5850. 58 means 50 millimeter, that from the center of the square to the center of cucurbita orifice. And 50 means 50 millimeter from the center of the square to the center of this line. The fourth is the lock cord. There is two kinds of lock door. One is with keys and the other is without keys. The one with keys normally applied in bedroom, living room, study room. Out of the room, we need the key to lock. And inside the room, we can turn around the button to lock. And the without keys one always use the in kitchen, washroom, storage room, old people's room, living room. And in case somebody locks themselves in that situation, people can reserve the door. Meanwhile, you can, if you are out of the room, use one coin, and that can open the door. It's very convenient. And the material, normally with zinc alloy, copper, aluminum iron. American style lock core are round, but the European style normally use cucurbita orifice. Okay, let's talk about this today. In next video, I will share the knowledge of lock material, color, and style. If you love watching these videos, please give us click like button and subscribe us. Please scan the WhatsApp QR code. Our specialist will reach you within 5 minutes to 5 hours.